Namaste, this is SK Bhatin Rahman, faculty of from the Faculty of Pharmacy, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Today we discussion about glycogenesis. Glycogenesis is a synthesis of glycogen from the glucose. Glycogenesis is mainly occurred in muscle and liver. Muscle glycogen is provide residual available the source of glucose for glycolysis with the muscle itself. Liver glycogen function storage to swap glucose, mainly glucose, blood glucose between the milk. Liver and muscle glycogen. When the glucose in blood is converted to the glycogen, how to glucose to convert to the glycogen? Glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 1,6-phosphate, and muscle glycogen start to convert to the glucose to glycogen. Okay, it's a degrade and 200 gram to 300 gram. Now is glucose in liver, glycogen in liver. Glucose is converted to the same process in muscle, same process as well as in liver. Is glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 1,6-phosphate, and liver glycogen storage in liver. This is called liver glycogen. Liver glycogen are called liver glycogen, and muscle glycogen are called muscle glycogen. Okay. So, indirect contribution by the muscle of maintenance the blood glucose level. Now you see that some in muscle and liver how to maintenance the glycogen or convert to the glucose level in present of different type of present of glycogen, form of glycogen. So in here glucose is converted to 2 molecule of pyruvate, and pyruvate is converted to the 2 lactate, and it is the pyruvate which is converted to alanine. Alanine in blood is converted in alanine, 2 molecule of alanine. It's converted to the 2 molecule of pyruvate and also convert to the in liver in glucose. Okay, so in see that this is the liver is in alanine to pyruvate in conversion in this step is deamination and is converted to the NH2 and urea and produce require a 4 ATP to conversion of urea. So glucose alanine cycle, this is the called glucose alanine cycle. How to glucose alanine cycle? Glucose is converted to the in blood. Glucose in the blood is converted to the pyruvate and pyruvate is converted to alanine. In liver, alanine is converted to the pyruvate and it's become a glucose is for needed 6 ATP. Okay, it's very important step. Pyruvate to glucose needed to 6 ATP. Okay, in alanine to pyruvate is needed deamination. Deamination how to deaminate? It's deaminate to the alanine to pyruvate by the conversion of NH2 and produce urea in presence of 4 molecule of ATP. Whole process is done in liver. Okay, is called glucose alanine cycle. Alanine and lactose is transferred from the muscle are used for the glucose and production in the liver by the gluconeogenesis. Glucose is a porous and blood of the maintenance the hemostasis. There are 4 steps of glycogenesis: activation of glucose, initiation and elongation, and glycogen branching. Now, activation of glucose, synthesis of glycogen from the glucose is carried out by the glycogen synthesis, and the enzyme of utilize UDP, diphosphate, uridyl diphosphate glucose as a one-off substance and the non-reducing end of the glycogen as another. UDP glucose, the glucose of donator in the biosynthesis of glycogen in the activated from the glucose. Activation of glucose. UDP glucose is a form of from the glucose 1 phosphate. Glucose 1 phosphate plus UTP, uridyl triphosphate, is converted to the UDP glucose with PPI. PPI plus water is converted to the 2-phosphate unit. Okay, the glucose 1 phosphate plus UDPI plus H2O is converted to the 2 UDP. Uridyl diphosphate is converted to uridyl 2-triphosphate to uridyl diphosphate with 2-phosphate. This hydrolysis of P bond in PPI. PP drive of the reduction. This PP is only energy cost for the glycogen synthesis 1 P bond of glucose residue. Activation of glucose. Glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 1-phosphate, and UDP glucose to glucose plus glucose UDP glucose and convert to the present of glycogen synthesis. Glycogen synthesis is a glycogen synthesis convert to the present of glycogen to UDP and produce glycogen plus 1 glucose. Okay. Now in elongation. So initiation. The glycogen synthesis can be added glucose reductase only for the if polysaccharide chain already contain more than 4 residue of the glycogen synthesis is request to prime of the primate of the function of carry out the glycogen. A protein of components of the 2 identify 34 kilocalorie of subunit each of the ring of the oligosaccharide of the alpha 1,4 glucose unit. Then a glycosidic bond is formed between the enormous C1 of glucose monitoring derivative of UDP glucose of hydrolysis of oxygen of the triose and side chain of the glycogenine and UDP released as a product. Each of the substance of glycogenesis catalyze the addition of 8 glucose unit to the pattern of the glucosamine dimer. The point of glycogenesis glycogen is synthesis take over the tendencies of glycogen molecule. Next step is elongation. The new glycosyl unit on the addition of non-reducing terminal residue of glycogen is activated the glycosyl unit of UDP glucose is transferred is from hydrolysis group of C4 termination of glycogen to the form of alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Elongation UDP display the terminal hydrolysis of group is high group of growth of glycogen molecule. This is the reaction catalyst of glycogen synthesis is key of the regulation of enzyme glycogen synthesis. Both of synthesis and breakdown of glycolysis is spontaneous. It's brought the pathway stimulation of cell. Therefore, the is a cycle. Cleavage P bond of the per cycle. It is the prevention pathway of cell regulation. The glycogen N, glycogen is N is number of the number of glycogen, huge number of glycogen plus glucose 1 phosphate to the convert to the glucogen plus N plus 1 number of glycogen plus 1. UDP is converted in here in this position of glycogen plus 1 glucose phosphate to convert to the glycogen is needed to ATP. So it needed to UTP, uridyl triphosphate to uridyl diphosphate and produces a 1-phosphate. This is called glycogen phosphorylase. Its conversion in enzyme in reversible process is called glycogen phosphorylase. Glycogen to glycogen plus glucose 1-phosphate. glycogen branching. A block of residual of typical 7 in the membrane is transferred more than in your seat. In branching of enzyme, it catalyzes the reaction of quite existence. 7 block of 7 residual of muscle, including mono or residual of the terminal, come through the chain, and the at least 11 residual of long. In addition, the new branch point of the must be 4 residual, always pre-existed bond. Enzyme and requirement of glycogen degradation. So phosphorylase or glycogen phosphorylase is a key enzyme of glycogen breakdown of cleavage substance of addition of orthophosphate. The yield of glucose 1 phosphate cleavage is bound by the addition of orthophosphate is referred to as a phosphorylation. Glucose plus pi, glucose 1 phosphate plus glycogen. Okay, this is the reduction process. Enzyme required glycogen degradation. Phosphoglucomutase. Glucose 1 phosphate is formation of phosphorylated cleavage of glycogen muscle be converted into glucose 6 phosphate into the glucose mainstream. This is the phosphorylation group of catalysis of phosphoglucomutase. Step of degradation. How to degrade? Phosphorylase is catalyze the consequent removal of the glucosuria and the insertion of the non-reducible ending of glucose molecule and the 4-OH group. Conversion of glucose 1 phosphate to glucose 6 phosphate. Phosphorylation consumption, phosphoglucomutase is converted to the glucose 1,6 phosphate into the glucose 6 phosphate into the reversible reaction. Glucose 6 phosphate is dried the glycogen can be it used as a fuel for the muscle. Conversion of free glucose into the liver, subsequently release of the blood. They are processed by the pentose phosphate pathway. Role of insulin in glycogenesis. Insulin is production of responsible high blood glucose is triggering of the separation of signal cascade as it leads to the activate the phosphoprotein of the phosphorylase is the phosphatase is it catalyzes the remove of the elongation phosphate residual of glycogen synthesis of enzyme. Insulin antagonizes the effect of cyclic CMP cascade, induce glycogen or epinephrine. And the cyclic CMP hydrolase is hydrolyzed by the phosphodiesterase. So this is the terminal of the hormone action is liver insulin increase activated the phosphorylase. Now in ephemeral is the conversion of any kind of ATPase to ATPase AMP. AMP is protein kinase is converted the protein inactive to active protein kinase with the presence of ADP to ADP. Phosphokinase is conversion of phosphorylase. Phosphorylase is conversion of the different molecule of biochemistry is a presence of phosphorylase. Okay, this is the conversion of regulation of glycolysis is conversion of modification of phosphorylation. The presence of cyclic CMP glycogenesis degradation. Increase the concentration of cyclic CMP, activate the cyclic CMP, depending on phosphokinase, activation of catalysis of the phosphorylation is the ATP. Inactive the phosphorylase kinase is phosphate group phosphorylation A. In the liver, cyclic CMP form of responsible glycogen, which is the secrete the response following blood pressure, muscle insensitivity of glycogen. In the muscle, the signal is increased cyclic form in the action of epinephrine, norepinephrine, which is the secrete the response of the fight to need to increase the glycogenesis is rapidly muscle activity. Now, thank you so much for hearing.